Good morning, students. Last time we had started with lesson number 8, verbs expressing past, and we had finished up to exercise 4, right? So let us start with the exercise 4. I will just narrate the answers here in the video. You can write it down as I narrate it here in the video, right? Now let us do it. Fill in the blanks with the correct tense, simple past or past continuous of verbs given in the bracket. The verbs are already given into the brackets. You have to use the proper tense in the sentence, right? Okay, so first one, while he dash the plants, it dash to rain, right? Now here is it is a referential statement. So normally referential statements में हम लोग present continuous tense use करते हैं. जब ये हो रहा था तब वो हुआ ऐसा, right? That is we had studied last time. Referential basis पे यहाँ पे देखो example दिया था. Nitin was sleeping when the telephone bell rang, right? So जब telephone bell ring हुआ तब नितिन सो रहा था. So it is a referential statement. So यहाँ पे water and begin that we have to use. So what you will use, while he was watering the plants, it began to rain, right? Then further, next one, number 2. When Sumi dash, she dashed down and dash her leg. Run, fall and hurt को use करना है. When Sumi ran, run का ran हो जाएगा. She fell down, fall का fell हो जाएगा. And hurt her leg. Hurt will remain hurt only because past participle form of hurt is hurt only. Some words put, cut, इनका past participle form same रहता है, right? Putted नहीं होता है, cutted नहीं होता है. So remember that. So कुछ words का past tense form same रहता है. Past tense, present tense, सब कुछ. Okay. Then next one is number 3. I dash to a friend while the football match was in progress. I dash the ball dash in my direction until it dash too late. Talk, not realize, come, be. ये सबका past tense use करना है. I was talking to a friend while the football match was in progress. ये referential statement है इसलिए we use present past continuous tense. Dash, I didn't realize the ball came in my direction. Came is past tense, simple past tense. Until it was too late. Right? Then further, number 4. When I dash the room, entered the room, Mama dash a recipe with a friend was discussing, right? Because this is past continuous tense you have to use. जब मैं enter हुआ तब ये हो रहा था. So referential basis पे when I entered the room, Mama was discussing a recipe with a friend. She dash broke off the discussion and went into the kitchen to prepare a cup of tea for me. Then next one, we dash the match on television when suddenly the light dash off. We were thoroughly enjoy दिया है हमें, तो हमको उसका past tense, past continuous tense use करना है. So we were thoroughly, we is plural, right? So we use were, not was. We were thoroughly enjoying the match on television while suddenly the light went off. Go का हो जाएगा went. Then as he dashed into the bus, it dashed suddenly and he dashed back. When as he got into the bus, get का got हो जाएगा. It started suddenly. Start का started हो जाएगा. Started suddenly and he fell back. Fall का fell. Fell back on the road. Papa dash about the car. Always complain, right? Papa was always complaining about the car. He, ये स्टेटमेंट क्या है, एक ongoing एक्टिविटी है इसलिए यहाँ पे हमने past continuous यूज़ किया है. He said, say का हो जाएगा said. He dash not like, didn't like it because it was an old model. Now present perfect tense. Let us study with present perfect tense. I have given you the answers. Write them down in the textbook itself. Write them clearly so that whenever you are referring it, whenever you are reading it, it should be clear to you that what is being written, right? No need to write this exercise in your notebook. Fill in the blanks in the textbook itself. Where there are paragraphs where you have to change the form of verbs, there I ask you to write them down in your notebooks, right? Such exercises जहाँ पे आपको strike out करना है, this you have to write in homework in your notebook, right? ऐसी exercise को लिखो ताकि आपको, और सिर्फ आंसर ही लिखो, राइट ओनली द आंसर. जो हमने यहाँ पे करेक्शन किया है, लाइक वंस अपॉन अ टाइम देयर बी का हमने वॉज कर दिया, देयर वॉज अ बॉय. तो ये करेक्ट आंसर जो है वॉज अ बॉय वाला वही लिखने का. ये पैसेज पूरा लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. अननेसेसरी लेबोरियस काम मत करो. जो आंसर्स है सिर्फ वही लिखो, सो दैट यू विल कम टू नो के ये वाले टेंस में हम लोग क्या क्या वर्ब्स यूज़ करते हैं. राइट. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स को फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स टेक्स्ट बुक में ही रखो. जहाँ पे न्यू सेंटेंसेस बनाने, जैसे यहाँ पे न्यू सेंटेंसेस बनाने, मैंने आपको सारे सेंटेंसेस वीडियो में नरेट करे हुए हैं आंसर्स, तो वो आप लिखो सो दैट यू विल कम टू नो कि कैसा क्वेश्चन बना. इसमें आपको ये लिखना पड़ेगा क्वेश्चन, तो ही समझ आएगा. या फिर एक काम कर सकते हो, जब आप पढ़ो तो आप टेक्स्ट बुक साथ में लेके बैठो, सो दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड कि ये क्वेश्चन है और उसका ऐसा आंसर बना है, तो ताकि जब आप पढ़ो तो आपको वो प्रॉपरली क्लियर होना चाहिए. राइट. So that is what I want. That is why at certain places I ask you to write, so that you come to understand. You know properly realize how to use the form of different forms of verb in different places. Now let us move on to past present perfect tense. I have just received your message. I am delighted to learn that Sajid has got an offer to represent the school in chess. I hope he has not rejected the offer. Why have you not written anything about mother? Has she recovered from malaria? The words printed in bold letters are in present perfect tense. Generally have use होता है. I के साथ you के साथ have use होता है, और singular के साथ he she it के साथ had use होता है. Right? So let us study the rules. Now present perfect tense form, affirmative sentences, has or have is used. Has or have is used, plus past participle form of the verb. This is present perfect tense, right? मतलब present tense हम कर रहे हैं. अभी यहाँ पे हम लोग past tense कर रहे थे. past tense जब होता है तो हम लोग had as a supporting verb use करते हैं. जब हम present tense use कर रहे हैं तो affirmative sentences में we use have has. singular के साथ हम लोग has use करते हैं. he she it के साथ has आता है. ये मैंने आपको present tense में भी पढ़ाया था. और I you दे के साथ जो मोर देन वन है, प्लूरल्स होते हैं, वी दे, उनके साथ हम लोग हैव यूज़ करते हैं. राइट. सो लेट अस स्टडी एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस. हैज़ हैव प्लस पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. मतलब जो वर्ब है उसका पास्ट टेंस फॉर्म यूज़ करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई हैव प्लेड या ही हैज़ प्लेड. नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में आई हैव नॉट प्लेड, ही हैज़ नॉट प्लेड. क्या आया? नॉट इंसर्टेड आफ्टर द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ब. Then interrogative sentences have has plus subject plus past participle form of the verb, right, plus rest of the sentence है. And question mark आता है, right. Interrogative में we always put a question mark. Further, question word plus have has plus subject plus past participle form of the verb plus question mark, right. Has he played? Why has he not played? Right. So this is the मतलब not वाला ये negative sentence होगा. He has not played. तो उसका हमने क्वेश्चन बनाया दैट वाई हैज़ ही नॉट प्लेड. तो अगर सेंटेंस में नॉट है तो इंटरोगेटिव में भी नॉट यूज़ करना पड़ेगा. राइट. सो दैट इज़ द वे इट इज़. सो नाउ लेट अस स्टडी फर्दर. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस यूजेस. दिस टेंस इज यूज टू एक्सप्रेस एन एक्शन दैट हैज़ बीन कंप्लीटेड रिसेंटली. जो एक्शन अभी रिसेंटली ख़त्म हुआ है उसको एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस यूज़ होता है. He has just left. He left only a little while ago. We have just received this information. We have received it only a short while ago. The word just is often used with this tense to suggest that the action was completed by a little while ago. Only a little while ago, right? Just खत्म हुआ है वो action. उसके बाद number 2, this tense expresses an action which was completed in the past between but whose effect can be felt at the time of speaking. मतलब पास्ट में कभी ये एक्शन ख़त्म हो गया बट अभी एट द टाइम व्हेन द सेंटेंस इज बीइंग स्पोकन उस टाइम पे उसका कुछ इफेक्ट है या उसका कुछ रिलेशन है. इन दैट सेंस दिस टेंस इज यूज्ड. राइट. एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव टेकन माई ब्रेकफास्ट सो आई एम नॉट हंग्री नाउ. आई हैव सीन दिस मूवी so I need not see it again. Right. So already मैं कर चुकी हूँ इसलिए मुझे नहीं देखना है फिर से. मैं देख चुकी हूँ. मैंने ब्रेकफास्ट कर लिया है इसलिए अब मुझे भूख नहीं है. Right. In addition to just words like already, ever, never, yet, often, lately, and expressions like this morning, this week, this afternoon may be used with this tense, right? Now these are certain rules. Present perfect tense, why we use, form, how we use, what is the form that we use? Has, have plus past participle form of the verb. Has, have plus not plus past participle form of the verb. This is negative sentences, right? And that is positive ones, affirmative ones. Uses actions that have been completed recently. Actions which were completed in the past but whose effect can be felt at the time of speaking. Jaya, you have to read this. Now I'm not making you write all these points in your notebook, but better read this because this will give you a better idea that when the tense is being used actually. और जब ऐसा कुछ referential sentence होता है तब आपको blank में क्या fill करना है ये proper idea आएगा. Further, now let us move on to exercise 5. Rewrite the following passage using the present perfect tense of the verbs given in the brackets. Now you have to use the present perfect tense here. The cricket match between our school and DAV Model School is about to begin. The two teams already arrive. तो क्या यूज़ करोगे आप? The two teams have already arrived. The two teams have already arrived in the ground. Our team win all the league matches. Our team, single team के बारे में बात हो रहा है. Team is a collective noun for a group of people. So we will use has won. Right? Our team has won all the league matches and is placed at the top of the table. Further, most people think we get the strongest team in the zone. We के साथ आएगा have. We have got. Past participle form of get. Right? We have got the strongest team in the zone. Today we are playing the finals. Perhaps our coach tell का हो जाएगा told. The captain that the pitch is in this ground. Perhaps our coach has told the captain that the pitch in this ground never help the spinners, right? Never help. The pitch in this ground has never helped the spinner. So he decided to include only one spinner in the team. So he has decided to include only one spinner in the team. Saurabh, the best all-rounder of our team, hurt his leg. तो क्या आ जाएगा? Has hurt his leg in an accident. So he is not playing today. But Vipul, who takes Saurabh's place in the team, who has taken, क्या हो जाएगा? Has taken. Past participle form of the verb take. Has taken place in the team. Is also a promising player. I can see that our captain win the toss and elect to bat. Has won. That our captain has won the toss and has elected to bat. Our openers have already arrived. At the crease. This is going to be a tough match, but I am confident of our team's victory. Right? I hope it's clear. I have dictated all the answers so you can write it. This paragraph you have to write it in your notebook because the answers you have to change in the sentence. So better write the correct answers in your notebook. Question paragraph लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Please be clear on that. So let us move on to exercise 6. Write down 5 things you haven't done yet but want to do. I haven't seen the Taj Mahal yet. I haven't seen the Jog waterfalls yet. आप लिख सकते हो ये. Do it this in homework, right? और orally करो. कुछ लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, पर ओरली करो. दिस इज़ द वे यू मेक सेंटेंसेस इन पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. नाउ लेट अस मूव further. Simple past or present perfect. Both the simple past and present perfect tense express an action completed in the past, but there is one basic difference. The simple past tense expresses a completed action not connected with present. सिंपल पास्ट टेंस जो एक्शन दिखाता है वो पहले ही हो चुकी होती है, पर उसका प्रेजेंट के साथ कोई रिलेशन नहीं होता है, राइट. बट प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस एक्सप्रेसेस एन अ कंप्लीटेड एक्शन कनेक्टेड विद प्रेजेंट. दोनों में क्या डिफरेंस है प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में और उसमें, कि सिंपल पास्ट टेंस का कोई कनेक्शन नहीं होता है प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में जब ये सेंटेंस बोला जा रहा है तब, बट प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट का होता है. जो एक्टिविटी पास्ट में कंप्लीट हो गई है उसका अभी रिलेशन है, तभी प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट यूज़ होता है. सिंपल पास्ट टेंस एंड प्रेजेंट टेंस नॉट लिंक्ड, and present perfect tense, past and present is linked. Past is linked with the present, right? Okay, now let us see an example. I have lost my pen, so I don't have a pen to write with. This action of losing the pen is linked with the present. I lost my pen yesterday, no link with the present. This is simple past tense. I lost it, right? कब गई क्या गई उसका अभी आज कुछ लेना देना नहीं है, बट आई हैव लॉस्ट, अभी लास्ट में खो गया था तो अभी मेरे पास पेन नहीं है इसलिए मुझे किसी से मांगना पड़ेगा. सो दैट हैज़ अ रिलेशन विद द प्रेजेंट टेंस, राइट. दैट इज़ वाई. नाउ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट, द प्रेजेंट रिजल्ट ऑफ अ पास्ट एक्शन लिंक्ड विद प्रेजेंट. सिंपल पास्ट, द पास्ट एक्शन नॉट लिंक्ड विद द प्रेजेंट. सेकेंड इज अ शॉर्ट टाइम अगो दिस हैज़ हैपेंड. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट जब होता है तो थोड़े टाइम पहले ही, वो रिसेंटली ही बात हुई होती है, तभी हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट यूज़ करते हैं. सिंपल पास्ट का ऐसा नहीं है. अ लॉन्गर टाइम अगो, ये बहुत पहले की बात हो जाती है, तभी हम लोग सिंपल पास्ट यूज़ करते हैं. अ टाइम अप टू द प्रेजेंट, अभी तक के टाइम तक का उसका रिलेशन होता है. अ टाइम इन पास्ट. द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग टू रिमेंबर इज दैट वी शुड नॉट यूज़ एनी टाइम expression denoting past time with the present perfect tense. I have met him yesterday. Yesterday denotes past time will have met in the present perfect tense, right? I have met him yesterday. Yesterday denotes what? Past time while we have met in present perfect tense. Or I have met him, or I met him yesterday, right? So yesterday shows you a past time. Okay, now further exercise 7, let us move. Fill in the blanks with the simple past or present perfect tense of the verbs given in the bracket. I dash the famous artist Rajan. I know him well. I often meet. उसको use करना है. So what you will use? Present perfect use कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे. I have been meeting. I have been meeting the famous artist Rajan. I know him very well. I dashed the famous artist Rajan during a film festival in 2011. Meet. I met. Sorry, have की ज़रूरत नहीं है यहाँ पे, because simple present tense आपको simple past tense use करना है. He is buying new furniture because he dashed to a new house. He has shifted. He is a singular noun, so it will be has, not have, because he has shifted to a new house. In the first sentence it will not be be, huh? I have met hoga. I have met the famous artist Rajan. I know him well. Right, make this correction. Then next one, he is buying new furniture because he has shifted to a new house. Don't take this medicine, it dash already expired. It has already expired. Don't send letters to my old address. I dash Patel Nagar long back. I have लीव का हो जाएगा लेफ्ट. पटेल नगर लॉन्ग बैक. अ फ्यू वीक्स अगो दे डैश, राइट. कौन सा वर्ड यूज़ करना है? क्वारल. they a few weeks ago they have quarreled. They dash to each other since then. Not speak. They have, I think it will be have. They have not spoken. It will be. They have not spoken to each other since then. My father dashed the house early in the morning. He dash. My father left. He dash. He has just returned. My father left the house early in the morning. He has just returned. Right? So these are the answers. Fill in the blanks to keep the answers in the textbook itself. Now let us move on to past perfect tense. The train had left. See, past perfect में हम had use करते हैं as a supporting verb. The train had left when we reached the station. It had started raining before we left the office. The verbs printed in bold are in the past perfect tense. Past perfect tense form had plus past participle form of the verb. Past participle past tense form of the verb आपको use करना है और साथ में had use करना है as a supporting verb. So now let us see positive statements. I had played, he had played. Right? Negative, I had not played, he had not played. Interrogative, had he played? Why had he not played? Right? अगर यहाँ पे not होगा तो ही इधर not आएगा question में. So understand this. If it is a negative statement, then only you would ask a negative question. Right? Let us move on further. Past perfect tense uses. Number 1, the past perfect tense is used to express an action completed before a given past movement. The movement is which the action was completed. This is the movement, right? A movement in the past, and this is the time of speaking, right? The train left, we reached the station, right? And this is the time of speaking. The train had left before we reached the station. This movement may be indicated or may be understood. If it is indicated, it may be indicated either by such verbal expressions as by 6 o'clock, by that time, by the end of the month, etc., or by another action in simple past. I had finished my work by 6 o'clock. I had finished my work when I received your message. Let us think of two actions in past. We extinguished the fire. The fire brigade arrived. From these two sentences, it is clear that the first action took place before the second one. So, if we join them, the action taking place first has to be expressed in the past perfect tense. जो action पहले हुई है उसको past perfect tense में mention करना ज़रूरी है referential basis पे, right? We extinguished the fire. The fire brigade arrived. That and the time of speaking. These are the different movements, right? Extinguish fire पहले ही हो चुका है. Fire brigade arrive हुआ and then the time of speaking. We had extinguished the fire before the fire brigade arrived, right? Then number 2, the past tense, the past perfect tense is used with such verbs as hope, expect, think, mean, suppose, want, etc. to indicate that a past hope, desire, intention, etc. was not realized. I had hoped that I would pass. She had thought of calling on us, but she changed her program. Right? मतलब कोई past action है जो mention करने के लिए उसको use होता है. So what are the uses of past perfect tense? Form is had plus past participle form of the verb. जैसे वहाँ पे have has था present perfect में, यहाँ पे had है उसके साथ में past participle form of verb है. Negative sentences में had plus not plus past participle form of the verb. Not add करना है negative sentence में आपको. Uses to express actions completed before a given past movement with such verbs as hope, expect, think, etc. to suggest that a past hope, desire, intention was not realized. Now, Exercise 8, we shall stop here. We shall continue this exercise 8 next time onwards.